StarBrite's Performacide is one of the best products that they make. It disinfects, sanitizes, and deodorizes all hard, non-porous surfaces, and I use it on everything in the RV. Let me show you how I do it. First, you're going to take off the sprayer, grab the foil packet, and take the packet out of it and put that inside the bottle. Then take the bottle and you're going to fill it with water. Replace the sprayer, and then you have to let it sit for an hour so it can activate. In the meantime, don't forget to label it. There's a date on the back here. Make sure you put the date on there, because in 15 days, use it up or then you'll discard it. Okay, we've waited an hour and now it's activated, and I just start spraying all my surfaces, like my kitchen counters, faucets, doorknobs, steering wheel, bathroom sink, you name it. It's a no-wipe, air-dry disinfectant, sanitizer, and deodorizer. Performacide by StarBrite.